So I'm very excited to participate to the Bridge Summit. So I came here as a speaker, talking about the convergence of AI in emerging economies, and the role diplomacy plays. I think the Bridge Summit becomes very critical because it's really coupling media diplomacy and new emerging technologies. And today it's very difficult to decouple one from the other. You have to understand that the world doesn't operate in silos anymore. Anything that comes from new emerging technologies has an influence on geopolitics and has an influence on media. So I think Bridge is becoming a very critical platform to bring all these voices under one roof and really spark discussions between different actors in that ecosystem. So from the role of Abu Dhabi and the UAE as a whole, I actually see this as a different way for emerging economies to build a bridge with the rest of the world. When you think about today, the global majority, especially countries in Africa, are kind of balanced or pushed between one side or the other. It's US or it's China. But there is a different way to do it. And I think the UAE has done it really well, where they've understood how to bring those emerging technologies in the country while respecting a lot of the local context, respecting the local people, agencies, dignity, making sure that data stays sovereign. And I think this is the path that a lot of countries in the global majority have to follow, and the UAE can lead that way. I think when it comes to my message to the UAE region, I would say you already are on the right track. Make sure that as you come and invest in a lot of our infrastructure, be it in Africa or the rest of the global majority, make it in convergence with local innovators. Local innovators really understand the local context. They can help you make a project that can be a one-off project, something that can be sustainable and long-lasting, long-term in the country. So partnering with local innovators becomes extremely critical for the UAE as you come and enter countries in Africa and continue investing in supporting the local ecosystem. I hope that usually, often when you attend conferences, it's a lot of discussions, but there is no actions that are following. And I think the opportunity would be that a lot of the actors who are gathered here, who are very important voices in media, in technology ecosystem, in diplomacy, we come with a framework that can be a framework for implementation and some really key concrete actions that anyone in the ecosystem can take, follow, and carry for the years to come.